Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you an old movie cinema effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Drag your footage to the timeline. Then go to Effects and search for Old. Add this 70s effect above. Also this Film 5 effect. And finally the Film 4 effect. Click on it and change the opacity to 70. Then add the sound effects which I got from Envato. Adjust them and reduce the volume a little bit. Make sure to do a fade out at the end of the sound. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.